This is the Serene, an A2 Rearward Facing child restraint. So the key features of the Serene child restraint are it's rearward facing up until a large 12-month-old, or until the child's shoulders reach this marker, or forward facing with an internal harness until a large 4-year-old, or until their shoulders reach this marker. The Serene features integrated air cocoon technology. This enhances side impact protection through blow moulding design, dramatically reducing the impact forces during a crash. The blow moulded backrest and side wings act as airbags, greatly reducing the forces on a child's head and body in a side impact accident. The Serene is a compact design child restraint. At just 44 centimetres across its widest point and 55 centimetres in rear facing depth, it makes it a fantastic option for customers with a small car or that want to fit 3 child restraints across. The Serene has easy to use single belt path installation, making it easy for customers to install the child restraint in their cars and allowing for less user error. The Serene has an easily adjustable internal harness, which makes it much easier to get the perfect fit for your child. The Serene child restraint has 2 recline positions. It has upright forward facing, reclined forward facing and reclined rearward facing. You adjust them all using this paddle down here. With 5 shoulder slot heights, means the harness can be easily adjusted to give the passenger the best fit. The built-in anti-rebound bar means that users do not need to worry about correctly installing a rebound bar because it's already built in. And it has a press-studded cover design for easy cleaning of those everyday kids' spills. The independently locking buckle locks each buckle tongue independently, which helps to prevent situations where a buckle tongue is not locked in properly and then it pops out.